I just want to show you what I recently bought from Atomy. Okay, I already opened the box so I don't have to do it with my cutter, and I just want you what I have now. Okay, so again, try to check your items against the receipt so you're sure that you have the correct items. Okay, so I want, oh right, okay, so I bought the toothpaste again because my friend got my other set, so I have to restock. And I also bought the dish liquid. This is very good. I don't miss this out. I always have this in the kitchen because this is for dishwashing, and at the same time, you can wash your vegetables and fruits with this. And I can also make some sort of concoction. I just put just a teaspoon of this with a liter of water, and then I use it for spraying my kitchen so that I can keep on keeping my kitchen tidy. It's very good, has calamansi, so it has something for, it's also antibacterial. Now this one is the partner of that dish liquid. I have the sponges. I keep in stock because some of my friends just get from me and I just want to have it anytime. This one has 4 sponges, okay? And is much cheaper than what you have in the market. This is only 240 pesos. And this one lasts me a year. And why? Because one sponge lasts me about 3 months. So after 3 months, I downgrade it and use it in the toilet or the tiles, something to use for cleaning, but not the kitchen anymore. That's antibacterial, so it lasts you longer, and I love it. Now this one is the part of the Atomy Evening Care. This is the foam cleanser, okay? I got 2, one for stock because some of my friends, again, they get from me when they see it in my home. This one is so good, it lasts me for about 8 months. You know why? Because you only use a pea size on your wet hands, and then you just try to create the foam. I said foam, not bubbles, until it really lathers a lot before you put it on your face. Okay, this is very, this is highly concentrated, so don't make the mistake of using it directly and putting so much. I have a friend who uses it to freshen up and uses it for her underarm. And she says it's so good because she doesn't use any deodorants, so it keeps it really fresh, especially if she's out always and she perspires, and that's what she uses. I didn't know about that, so that's one tip. Now, I bought the BB cream. The reason why I bought 4 because they have 3 plus 1 promo. So I bought a lot. It's good for gifting, and I love it because the color actually matches my skin tone. This is the best color for me. It's really made for Filipina, not too light and not too dark either. And not too sticky, but you just have to make sure that you use only enough, not too much so that it does not become shiny on your face. Now, there's also another one, which is the Atomy Sunscreen. I also bought 4 because they have a promo now, 3 plus 1. So don't miss out on those promos. You can really save a lot of money. And the sunscreen, what the promo this time is only the white one, but don't worry. It does not have a white cast. It's not sticky, it's very light. It has SPF 50 plus, and it also has some moisturizing component. So for those people who don't want to put on so much makeup or so much regimen for the face, it already has a moisturizer, the sunscreen protection, and remember, you can use it when you do your walking in the morning. It's to protect your face from wrinkles and sun damage. All right, so that's about it. I don't have anything more to show. I just want you to see what I normally buy, and I just want you to make sure that you do not pass any of those +1 promo. It's worth buying, and if you think you don't want to stock up on them, you can have some friends who are already members of Atomy, and you can divide it among yourselves, among friends, okay? So that way you don't have to stock it up for a long time because they have expiration dates as well. Okay, so that's the latest from my Atomy stash, and I hope you get your promos soon. And don't forget to ask me any questions if you have anything to ask about the items that you're seeing right now or in any of my videos. Bye for now.